I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to check your transaction history on Paytm, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Paytm app. Launch the Paytm app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Passbook. On the home screen, locate and tap on the Passbook option. This section contains all your transaction details. Step 3. Select the time frame. In the Passbook section, you can filter transactions by date. Choose the desired time frame to view specific transactions. Step 4. Review transactions. Scroll through the list of transactions to find the details you need. Each entry will show the date, amount, and type of transaction. Step 5. Tap for more details. If you want more information about a specific transaction, tap on it. This will show you additional details like transaction ID and status. Sometimes, if you don't see recent transactions, try refreshing the Passbook page by pulling it down. This can help update the list. I hope this guide helps you easily check your transaction history on Paytm. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.